Welcome back to your channel. So previously we gone through 12th 13th parts of trigonometry, part 12 13. Now trigonometry part 14, T ratios of congruent triangles, continuation. So now this is a video I am going to explain in both media, Telugu and English medium. So for the request of many viewers and subscribers. So I'll try my best. So encourage me. So trigonometry, it is called trigonometry. So one of the most important problem of this exercise and this topic, okay, most important for board exams, problem for boards and competitive examinations too. So if ABC are the interior angles of a triangle ABC, then prove that this is a part. So nothing but ఒక త్రిభుజంలో ఏబిసి అనేది 3 కోణాలు అయితే మనం ఇది నిరూపించాలి. ఓకే, సో cot of c plus a by 2 is equal tan of b by 2. That we have to prove. So let us go through the solution now. So in triangle ABC we have, okay, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. ఒక త్రిభుజంలో 3 కోణాల మొత్తం 180 డిగ్రీలు, అది మనకు తెలిసిన విషయమే. ఓకే, సో నౌ హౌ టు ప్రొసీడ్? C plus a by 2 we have here. So LHS we have C and A, their sum. Okay, and we have by 2 if you observe carefully. So dividing by 2 on both sides, nothing but రెండు చే భాగించబడంగా. సో నథింగ్ బట్ హియర్ dividing by 2 on both sides. Okay, so angle A plus angle B plus angle C by 2 is equal to 180 degrees by 2. సో రెండు చే భాగించబడంగా, సో ఇది వస్తుంది. సో నథింగ్ బట్ హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ C plus a by 2. సో కన్సిడర్ A and C, since we have A and C, so or C and A, so C plus A by 2 plus B by 2 is equal to 90 degrees after dividing. So this is the first thing. Next, here what you have here, so transpose B by 2 to this side. So nothing but I can write here C plus A by 2 is equal to 90 minus B by 2. ఓకే, సో రెండు చే భాగించబడిన తర్వాత ఇక్కడ B by 2ని RHSకి వెళ్ళి తీసుకెళ్ళడం ద్వారా, సో నథింగ్ బట్ C plus A by 2 is equal this one. Next, so we have cot here LHS. Okay, so to get here our result, okay, applying the trigonometry ratio cot on both sides. Okay, so cot అనే త్రికోణమితి నిష్పత్తి తీసుకోవడం ద్వారా, ఓకే, సో అప్లయింగ్ cot on both sides, we have or we get. Okay, so cot of C plus A by 2 is equal to cot of 90 degrees minus B by 2. Okay, సో ఇరువైపులో కాట్ని తీసుకోవడం ద్వారా మనకి ఈ స్టెప్ వచ్చింది. ఓకేనా, సో దిస్ ఇంప్లైస్ నౌ cot of C plus A by 2 is equal to, so now this is in the form of cot of 90 minus theta. Here our theta is this one. So theta అనే స్థలంలో ఏముంది మనకి B by 2 ఉంది. సో cot of 90 minus theta is tan theta. Okay, so now I can write tan, our theta is nothing but here B by 2. So B by 2. So if you observe carefully, our required result has been completed here. Nothing but this is our RTP. Okay, RTP required to prove. So finally we got this one. So dividing by 2 on both sides. Next, applying cot on both sides. Next, transposing to this side. Okay, so here this I got here by cot of 90 minus theta is nothing but tan theta. Okay, once you have the total look of the problem, most important for 2 marks or 4 marks for your board examinations. Okay, T ratios of complementary angles. I hope that you like a lot this video. I tried my best. So some of the Telugu words have been used. So Telugulo కొంత మట్టికి వివరించడం జరిగింది. So encourage me in the future days also for some videos I am going to explain in Telugu medium also. Okay. So after watching, after going through the problem, try it yourself one problem. Okay, I have given as homework. So please viewers, concentrate here, evaluate ABC are the interior angles of triangle ABC, then evaluate this expression. Okay, nothing but you have to find which expression you are going to get. Instead of saying show that, prove that, I have given like this. So if A comma B comma C అనేది ఓకేనా యాంగిల్స్ కోణాలు త్రిభుజం యొక్క కోణాలు అయితే అంతర్గత కోణాలు అయితే మనం దీని విలువ కనుక్కోవాలి. ఓకేనా, సో which expression you are going to get, which value or expression. Okay, so try it yourself and see, have the look. So these are the various steps, important problem. So bless me after watching the video. Telugu medium first problem explanation for the rural background or those who are having fear of English medium. ఓకేనా, నా చిరు ప్రయత్నంగా నేను చేశాను. సో మీ ఆశీస్సులు ఉంటాయని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. ప్లీజ్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఫీల్ గుడ్, లైక్ మై వీడియో, షేర్, సబ్స్క్రైబ్, కామెంట్ our S Square Maths YouTube channel. Thank you. Signing out. This is your Santosh.